Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great in their life. Finally, the time came when I have to leave my hometown, my family, my peaceful life. Yes, because my exam has come, so I have to go. By the way, after 1 year, I am going back to my college. Why? Because beginning of 2020 I faced some health issues and then this lockdown and all. Today, I'm going for COVID test. I was so nervous, so my sister is going with me to encourage me. You would be surprised after know that I'm afraid from hospitals. I know, as a nursing student we can't be like that, but I think in our childhood time we all are afraid from needles. I believe that we get what we afraid the most. For example, I am afraid from needle, but now I am in a profession where I have to spend my whole life around the needle. I have a flight day after tomorrow, so today you guys will see how I am gonna pack everything. No, actually, you guys will see how messy I am. Firstly, I decided I'll finish ironing my clothes, but as a human, we can't be perfect in everything. As you can see, I'm not good at ironing at all, so my ma is helping me today. My parcel from Amazon just arrived. I bought a new tripod adapter because last one I broke it mistakenly. I hope this one will never breaks and I can use it for my lifetime because I am a bit of miser. As you can see, I did a big mess. I needed to pack them all, so let's get started. Tomorrow I'm gonna leave my house. It's the most hardest time for everyone who love their family, but because of study or job, because of these reasons, we leave everything behind us. but it's important for everyone. We have to get out from our comfort zone. And I believe that when we are out from our comfort zone, only that time we can see how capable we are, how strong we are. So finally we are in Bangalore. Today we'll stay at hotel. Tomorrow again we'll go for COVID test. If the report came out negative, only then we can enter in our college. Test is done, so they said they will send the report via email at night. So for now I am so tired, I needed to take some rest. See you in my next video. Love you guys, stay safe, bye.